Hi, welcome to Seshu Solutions. Today I'm going to explain about square roots. Okay, square roots. Square root is represented by like this root, okay? And this is also called radical. Other word is radical, okay? Square root is nothing but something to the power of 1 by 2. Okay, any number you can consider to the power of 1 by 2. In these examples, we are finding the square root for perfect squares, okay? First one, square root of 4. Square root of 4 is square root 4 is equal to 2 times 2. Or we can write 2 to the power of 2. Square root is nothing but 1 over 2. Okay. We have a formula a to the power of m to the power of n is a to the power of mn. 2 to the power of 2 by 2, when you multiply 2 times 1 is 2, 2 by 2 is 1. 2 to the power of 1 is equal to 2. Okay. Square root of 9 is square root of 3 times 3 and 3 to the power of 2 whole to the power of 1 by 2. Again by using the formula 3 to the power of 2 by 2, which is 3 to the power of 1 is 3. But instead of doing for every number, writing the factors and then doing that, here if we have 3 2's, we'll get the answer as 1 3. Okay, because 2 by 2 is 1. Square root of 16 is because it is 4 times 4, we will get the answer just as 4. Okay, I'll write all the square roots till 400. Okay, perfect square roots. Square root of 25 is equal to 5 times 5. Because we have two 5s, we can just write 1 5. Square root of 36 is 6 times 6 is equal to 6. Square root of 49 is 7 times 7 equal to 7. Square root of 64. 8 times 8 is equal to 8. Square root of 81 is 9 times 9 equal to 9. Square root of 100. 10 times 10 is equal to 10. Okay. Square root of 121. 121 is 11 times 11. So square root of that is 11. Okay. Square root of 144. Okay. Most of the kids will not memorize the tables. Okay. So I will explain it to you how to find square root of 144. 144, we can do prime factorization. 2 times 72. Okay. 2 times 36. Or we can leave it like this. Because we just, in the previous slide, I showed you square root of 36 as 6, right? We can write 2 times 2 times 36. 2 times 2 times 36. Okay. When we have two 2's inside the square root, we'll consider it as 1 2. And in the previous example, we wrote square root of 36 as 6. We can write 2 times 6, which is equal to 12. Okay. Square root of 169, because it's 13 is a prime number. 169 comes only in 13 table. 13 times 13, which is 169. We can write 13. Okay. Square root of 196. If you know 14 times 14 is 196, we can do it. But if we don't know, then do prime factorization. 2 times 196, right? 2 times 98 is 196 and 2 times 49. 2 times 2 times 49. We know 49 is 7 times 7, right? 7 and 7. When inside the square root, if we have two numbers, we'll consider only one number. Okay. And 7 times 7 is 7. 2 times 7 is 14. Okay. Square root of 225. Again, 225 is divisible by 5. 5 times 4 is 22. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 9 and 3 times 3. 5 times 5 times 3 times 3. When we have two 5s, we'll consider one 5. And when we have two 3s, we'll consider one 3. 5 times 3 is 15. Square root of 256. 256. 2 times 128. 2 times 64. 2 times 32. 2 times 16. 2 times 8. 2 times 4, and 4 is again 2 and 2, right? So how many 2's we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? 2 to the power of 8 whole square root. 2 to the power of 8 square root is nothing but 1 by 2. We have a formula a to the power of m whole to the power of n is a to the power of mn, right? So 2 to the power of 8 divided by 2. 8 times 1 is 8 divided by 2. 2 to the power of 4. 2 to the power of 4 is nothing but 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, which is 16. Or if you directly knows the formulas, 256 is 16 times 16 is 256. It is just 16. So if you know the tables, it is easy. But in case sometimes if you forget the tables, then also don't quit the question. Just do the prime factorization and then try to solve it. Okay? Square root of 289. 289 will come only in the 17 table, like 17 times 17. Square root of 17 times 17, which is 17. Now, square root of 324. 324, again do the prime factorization. If you know 18 times 18 is 324, we can do it. But if you don't know, don't quit the question. 2 times 1 is 2, 6 and 2. 2 times 81. 81 we know 9 times 9 and we can leave it and do the square root. 2 times 2 and 9 times 9. When we have two 2's, 1 2 will come out. And when we have two 9's, 1 9. 2 times 9 is 18. Okay. Square root of 361, which is 19 times 19, which is 19. Okay. Square root of 400. 400, we can do prime factorization. 4 times 100, which is 2 and 2, 10 and 10. 2 times 2, 10 times 10. If we have two numbers, 2 times 2 and 2, we'll bring 1 2 out, and for 2 tens, 1 10. So 2 times 10 is 20. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.